H2F Asia, as part of the How2 franchise network, are acknowledged as international experts in international master franchising, assisting numerous important brands to achieve global growth through its network of offices in Europe and 6 other regions, and now its newest region, Asia. With our detailed international franchising program, we can assist your business in this most important region, Asia. To make it easy for you to gain that first important foothold in Asia for your franchise, H2F Asia are well placed with a fantastic team of local nationals who are experts in franchising, based in Thailand, and are now offering you the chance to exhibit your franchise in Asia for a fraction of the normal costs. H2F Asia will book and will man the stand on your behalf. H2F Asia can offer a full range of recruitment solutions, and we can provide you with your own franchise manager, confident and equipped to deal in this diverse environment. Call How to Franchise now on 01 295 722 846 or H2F Asia on 020 7481 0203 to see how we can help your business expand in Asia today, and be surprised at how easy we make it to expand your business into Asia.